Freepik just launched an easy-to-use 3D camera control tool that allows me to create multiple camera angles from a single image. With this model, you can generate AI films in minutes. Freepik also released another quality of life update for AI filmmakers called Variations. This feature generates multiple camera angles and cinematic storyboard grids in one go. I will test these new features in detail, along with Runway's new Gen-4.5 image-to-video model with incredible cinematic camera motion. If you prefer open-source tools, I found a completely free alternative to Freepik's tool as well. You will find all that in this video. Let's get started. I would like to start with Freepik's 360 View Selection tool. First, let me show you where to find it. Click on AI Suite and then select Image Generator. This will take you to image generation mode. After that, click on Tools right here and select Change Camera. This will give you a 360 View Selection tool right here. So from just one image, you can generate every angle to find the exact perspective you need for your AI film. I'm gonna upload an image. Click on here. I selected this image, and it is immediately reflected in the preview. And having the preview really simplifies things, and it really allows you to fully visualize what kind of output you will have. As you can see, you can rotate the camera around your subject to change the camera angle. You can also change the vertical position of the camera. Additional to these two axes, you can zoom in or zoom out. Let's change the vertical angle to here, to high angle shot, and slightly rotate the camera. Hit generate. You can also add more than one camera. We can add 4 cameras, and you can see every camera will have a different preview of the same composition, and hit generate. And as you can see, this will automatically create 4 different angles in one hit. Our first output is ready. It is simply amazing. It rotated the camera, and as we asked, it managed to find the high angle. Only issue here, I can see that my character's face got quite distorted. That's the main issue, but the rest of the camera work is perfectly executed. And here are the other outputs from other camera angles. We have one here, next one, another one, and the final one. For me, the biggest issue so far is the face distortion of my character, but besides that, it looks pretty awesome. I'm gonna zoom back in to my composition because I wanna ensure that my character's face stays consistent. I'm going to cancel other cameras now, come slightly closer, but this time I will rotate the camera towards here in this direction and hit generate and see, actually, are we be able to keep our character's face consistent? This is very important for me. And voila, perfectly done. My character's face is consistent even though the camera angle has changed. Let's try another image. I have this shot of a woman traveling with sled dogs. So I'm gonna zoom very closely to my subject, maybe slightly higher angle. Let's have maybe 4 cameras and hit generate. Generation speed is also pretty fast, I would say. This is all real time, and as you can see, everything's generated pretty quickly. So we have this angle. I see some problems occurred here with the sled dogs. There's a bit of confusion. We have this angle. Maybe we got too close. Now we lost our subject's face. Okay, so no problem. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. I just want to have one camera, and it's so cool. I mean, I can even like zoom out, zoom in like this. But I don't want to zoom in too much. I will keep my distance to my subject. Hit generate, and it's perfectly executed. Now I have slightly higher angle. Once you crafted your shots, you can turn them into cinematic videos using Runway. They just released Gen-4.5 image-to-video, a powerful new model that animates still images with advanced cinematic camera movements. Its prompt understanding is excellent, and it can replicate real-world camera moves, so the results feel like they were captured with a physical camera. You can find Gen-4.5 image-to-video right here. With the new update now, you can add an image alongside your prompt and take advantage of image-to-video fully. With Gen 4.5 presets, You can select from a library of classic cinematography moves like zoom, pan, tilt, handheld shot, crane shot, orbiting drone, tracking shot, and grounding your AI generations in real cinematic language. All you need to do is clicking on this plus button for your desired cinematic motion, and prompt will be automatically generated. The model understands cinematic language like rack focus or parallax. So you can simply change camera's focus just by typing a prompt. Gen 4.5 is strong at effects that are difficult to animate manually. Fire, water, smoke, liquids, blowing hair animations, often with lighting that blends convincingly into the scene. That makes it especially useful for transformations, VFX moments, and action beats. Runway handles action shots without the slow motion problem that haunts most AI video generators. Finally, Runway also tackles consistency more directly. The subject's identity, clothing, and lighting tend to stay stable throughout the clip, with less morphing and higher overall coherence. Emotions are rendered accurately and closer to real life. Natural language alone is enough to capture them precisely. Beyond the model itself, Runway's full suite includes story panels and panel upscaler. This workflow takes you from character to a story in a single click, allowing you to automatically draft a continuous storyline of 3 connected frames. You can then upscale and animate these individual frames to easily build ads or short films. You can even use their seamless transitions workflow to create those viral video loops you see all over social media, where a single character walks through a scene, interacting with different characters or objects. Start creating amazing cinematic videos today at runwayml.com with the code CYBERJUNGLE for 20% off. Another tool I want to show you is Freepik Variations. Variations allows you to select an image, and again from this one image, you can generate multiple perspectives. And it's really easy to do it because you can pre-select which perspectives and camera angles you want to have. You have full list here of some of the popular camera angles that you can use in your AI films. And only thing you need to do is checking or unchecking some of the shots. Let's say I want to have 3x3, 9 angles. One extreme long shot. I don't need long shot again, so I would like to have POV. Close up, extreme close up. Let's say we keep regular close up but change it with aerial. I have back view, low angle, high angle, medium close up and medium long. Instead, it would be better to have over the shoulder shot. And now I need an image. I selected this image as my reference, and for the mode, I'm selecting reframe. This says create different angles and perspectives of your image. There is also an alternative, and it's Storyboard. And Storyboard generates a cinematic storyboard grid 3x3 again, the famous grid method that I showed you before in the channel, and it allows you to create simply a storyboard where you have a storyline progressing. I'm going to also show you this mode, but now let's start with reframe, and I hit generate. My generation is ready, and it's pretty interesting. I have multiple different camera angles of the same reference image. Some of the images are a little bit distorted, so we have some problems here. And it seems in some of them camera angle changed while staying consistent and loyal to my original image. In some of them it seems that it just hallucinated and came up with new poses and new positions. As you can see, in some of these shots, we actually got what we want. And just to keep in mind that this tool is still under development. No, I did the same thing with this shot and it came up with this. So some of the shots look very, very consistent to the original reference. It gave me back view, close up. The low angle shot is not really perfect. Extreme long shot works with some distortion on the face. High angle shot, very good aerial shot here, as well as POV shot, which is nicely impressive, and a cool over the shoulder shot. Next thing I want to show you here is their storyboard. And storyboard allows you to create a grid, but you need to describe your story first. So I'm gonna attach an image first. I would like to upload this image of Cleopatra cat. So I selected 2x3 grid, 16:9 aspect ratio, and I wrote a simple storyline. Cleopatra cat walks in a temple. She finds a green diamond. As you can see, I also attached some details for the camera angles. This should be a close-up shot. In the medium shot, she takes the diamond. The 4, she triggers a trap in the temple, wide angle. Then she starts running in the full body shot, and then she reaches to the door, but there's a dark figure waiting for her. So we have some cliffhanger in the end of the grid. Let's see if it is gonna be able to generate this successfully. Cleopatra cat walks in the temple. The character consistency is very good. Then in the close-up shot, as I asked, she finds a green diamond right here. Then she takes the diamond. Here is the shot. The character consistency is superb. Of course, this requires an upscaling, and she's taking the diamond. After that, it triggers a trap in the temple, wide angle. Okay, I see like ground is breaking. It feels like there's probably an earthquake here. And after that, she starts running. The full body shot is here. Perfectly done. She's running. And then she reaches the door, but there's a dark figure waiting for her right here. Perfectly executed. Great tool. I'm really happy with the character consistency and how fast I was able to generate this grid very quickly. Let's take a look at the other modes of this feature. So there is people mode. You can generate different demographics like ethnicities and genders while maintaining the original composition. Can be helpful, different expressions that you can generate and age groups. I want to try custom variations and see what can be done using this tool. Let's select this image of a group of pirates in POV shot. Give me different visual styles of this shot, maybe 9 different shots in a grid and 16 to 9. We can also specify maybe anime, clay motion, Lego, PlayStation 1, video game, ultra realistic, etc. Let's see the result. We have a cartoonish anime looking version, another version of Lego. It's just added a few other characters here. We have a Cyberpunk version, which is interesting, a regular hand-drawn version. Only thing is I can't really see the clay motion version, but it gave us 9 different styles, which can be quite helpful for artists or people who wants to quickly visually experiment and iterate or just try some different styles. If you don't want to use paid options, you can go for open source. The Qwen Image Edit camera angle control is open source and free to use. You can find the link in the description down below. So I'm using it on Hugging Face, but you can also use it on your computer locally. So all I need to do is uploading an image here. So I'm attaching this image here. And now I have 3D camera control visualized here. It is insane that this works real time. So the second I move the camera, it starts generating and it is very impressive. You can see that it moved the camera already. So I'm just gonna rotate the camera here and generation started very fast and it's done. You can do rotation or vertical tilt again and also zoom in or zoom out. Consistency is amazing. You can see that camera is now closer to her face. I can simply reset and now I would like to go a little bit more high angle again, but still stay zoomed into her face. Boom, it's done. And let's now rotate the camera all the way to the other direction. Real-time generation started and boom, it's done. I didn't pay for anything. I can download this image. I'm using it completely free on Hugging Face. And I think this is simply a great alternative if you want to generate multiple camera angles from a single image. Hopefully this video was truly helpful for you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. If you want to learn more about future of AI storytelling, click here.